Hey everyone, welcome back to the Anderson Bros Outdoors. I'm Jake, and today we're doing a giveaway. Hey everyone, welcome back. As I said, my name is Jake, and today we're doing the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It is one of the large milestones that we had since we started the channel. Now that we've reached it, we are going to give back, and we're going to be giving away three things. The first thing that we're going to give away is a Traxxas TRX4M. It is the mini crawler, as you can see right here. Links in the description below as well. The second item we'll be giving away is a Hobbywing Fusion SE. Either the 1200, I believe it's a 1200, or the 1800 kV motor, your choice. And then the third item we're giving away is a scale accessories kit. You can see that right here. The link's also in the description below for all items. We really appreciate everyone's support making it this far, and we are going to continue to give away as much stuff as we can. With that being said, how do you win the giveaway? Well, first of all, you have to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enter a comment with hashtag TABO1000 in the comments below. Again, it's hashtag TABO1000. Now, if you want to increase your chances of winning, you can be a channel member, so you can join the TABO Club. Right down in the video somewhere down here, there is a join button. You can do that. It's 99 cents a month or $12 a year. You don't have to do that. However, that will contribute to more giveaways in the future. If you do win the giveaway, say you do not want the TRX4M Fusion SE or scale kit, we will have an option of giving you a Amazon gift card for the value of that item. If you would rather have that, that's completely fine as well. We will ask which you would prefer, whatever you won or the Amazon gift card of the same value. We almost forgot the most important part. When is the giveaway going to happen? So the giveaway is going to happen on March 21st, which is a Thursday at 6 p.m. Central Time. So don't be late. Good luck. We hope you win and have a great day.